Class 9 student. Today I am starting a new chapter, study of the first element hydrogen. Study of first element, that is hydrogen. This is first element in the periodic table because periodic table starts from the left hand side, first period and first group. This is first group and this is first period. In this position there is only one element, this is hydrogen, whose atomic number is 1, being atomic number 1. As it starts, the periodic table starts from the simple element hydrogen, so it is the first element. Now you have to study about hydrogen, its nature, its physical, chemical activities, reactions, etc. Now in periodic table we have seen that hydrogen is placed in group 1. Hydrogen is placed in group 1 with lithium, sodium, rubidium, cesium and francium, with this series. But if you consider the properties, physical and chemical properties of hydrogen, then you can compare hydrogen with also halogen. That means in group 17 you may place hydrogen with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. The next element is hydrogen, where helium is present. So before helium, hydrogen can be placed in group 17, but it has been placed in group 1. Now you have to know the similarities of hydrogen with group 1 and also the similarities of hydrogen with group 17. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals and group 17 elements are called halogen nonmetals. First of all, I am showing the similarities of hydrogen with alkali metals. Similarities of hydrogen with alkali metals. Similarities of hydrogen atom with alkali metals. First of all, number 1, from electronic configuration. If you consider electronic configuration, then you will find that both hydrogen and alkali metals have same outermost electronic configuration. Hydrogen atomic number 1, it is 1 in the first shell, K shell. Lithium atomic number 3, its electronic configuration is 2, 1. So in hydrogen the outermost electron is 1, that means valence shell electron. Here also 1. Next element, sodium, in the same group, group 1. Sodium atomic number 11, 2, 8, 1. Here also there is only 1 electron in outermost shell. Potassium 19, 2, 8, 8, 1. Now you see the outermost shell of hydrogen is 1, and these are similar with lithium, sodium and potassium. These are all in group 1 elements. And we know that on the number of valence electrons, the character, physical or chemical character, mostly depend on the number of valence electrons. So hydrogen showing similarities with lithium, sodium and potassium. Now we come for second point. Say character. Character. Hydrogen is unipositive element. Unipositive element. As HCl, you will see H is positive. Sodium or lithium also unipositive element. Like NaCl, Na plus, H plus 1, this is plus 1. Here valency of hydrogen or hydrogen is unipositive and sodium also unipositive, potassium also unipositive. So from character, hydrogen shows similarity with alkali metals like sodium, lithium, potassium, etc. Now the second point, considering valency. The third point, considering valency. If you consider valency of hydrogen, hydrogen shows valency 1, like lithium, sodium, potassium, all showing valency 1. Now number 4, reactions. Hydrogen forms compounds with oxygen atom, chlorine atom or sulfur atom. Stable compound. Hydrogen forms stable compound. Like hydrogen when combines with oxygen forms H2O. Hydrogen when combines with chlorine forms HCl. Hydrogen when combines with sulfur forms H2S. These are all stable compounds. Like Na2O or K2O, NaCl, KCl, Na2S, K2S, etc. So from this point also, hydrogen can be compared with alkali metals. The last point, which is also very important, hydrogen is a common reducing agent. You know, in the definitions of oxidation and reduction, we have read that addition of hydrogen means reduction. So hydrogen is a reducing agent. If hydrogen is added to chlorine, then you will get the reaction. Here chlorine is converted to HCl. Chlorine is reduced to HCl. So hydrogen is a reducing agent. Like sodium, if added to chlorine, then you will also get sodium chloride. Here also chlorine is reduced to chloride. Here chlorine is -1, so -1 valency. Chlorine here also reduced to chloride ion, and so sodium also here reducing agent. So from this point, or considering these points, hydrogen may take place with alkali metal groups. Now, similarities of hydrogen atom with halogen nonmetals or with halogens. Halogen nonmetals. Number 1. Here also you consider electronic configuration.